For those of you who don't already know who I am, my name is William Douglas. Welcome to the beginning. 2020 was a lot of things.
Talk about more on the impact of the coronavirus on business around the world.
COVID crisis has impacted so many industries this year as the virus forced business.
Concerned about the economy. We're all concerned about an economic slowdown.
I mean, we had to ebb and flow so many times. We had so many obstacles thrown at us. I mean, a lot. We filmed a 3-day competition video and we hired the winner of that competition, and the very next day we got shut down by the city and had to move out of our backyard studio. And this ultimately led to this new hire not working with us. We lost a ton of work that we had lined up. I lost my YouTube partner due to financial difficulties, and I had to take on shop rent at the exact time that everything was falling apart. It was a year of endurance. A lot of people didn't make it through. I'll pour a little out for you guys. I feel like I should have something to pour out. 2020 wasn't all bad though. We had some good things happen in there. My wife got pregnant, which is amazing. Also, moving into the shop gave us the opportunity to teach, which is a huge part of the vision for the company and something that I'm really passionate about. So that's a positive. We had some awesome jobs with some of our favorite clients. We went from 0 to 20,000 subscribers in 6 months on YouTube. And most importantly, we held on for dear life. And we made it through. We made it through COVID, and sometimes that's the hardest thing to do, is just to hang on and get through. And we did that. All of that just to say that I have an announcement to make. I've spent a lot of time thinking about where my time is best spent, and the answer to that question changes a lot. So I ask myself often, self, where is my time best spent? As of right now, due to where this 2020 roller coaster has taken us, I've decided to really focus my time on media this year and creating content for YouTube, Instagram, get some photos, some videos. Myself and my family have made a lot of sacrifices to make this happen. We sold our house and moved into a small condo with 2 kids and 1 on the way. But I believe in it. I believe in it. It's gonna work. Man, I love that house. That was a good house. Neighbors were great. The shop was awesome. The little backyard shop had a lot of character. I didn't love the asshole neighbor that moved in though. After 6 years of me being there, this guy comes in with his sensitive baby ears and just couldn't handle the sound of a grown man using a saw. One time he literally called the police because I was sanding with my little Festool sander at 5 p.m.
Loud noises!
Yep, just an orbital sander. Just a Festool orbital sander. I'm just standing and 5 p.m. rolls around and he just can't handle the sound inside of his house. But that's neither here nor there. Let's focus on the positives. 2021, it's gonna be a new year. I'm focusing on media. I'm so excited. I'm taking the reins. I'm the architect of my own destruction. I'm the maker of my own destiny. I've invested in my own equipment. I've spent countless hours studying and learning the craft of media, content creation, and cinematic photography, cinematography. Most importantly, I am ready. I'm ready to learn, I'm ready to grow, and I'm ready to share with you what is William Douglas Go. For those of you who don't already know who I am, my name is William Douglas. Welcome to the beginning.